Hello, good afternoon, all of you. Now we are going to discuss about the aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. In the last lecture, we already discussed about the um nitrations and halogenation reactions. Now we will discuss about the sulfonation of benzene, sulfonation reactions, sulfonation, aromatic nucleophilic substitution reactions. So sulfonations means aromatic sulfonation is an organic reactions in which a hydrogen atom on arenes is replaced by the sulfonic acid functional group in an electrophilic aromatic substitution manner. Okay, so aryl sulfonic acid are used as a detergent, dyes, and drugs. So that's why this sulfonated product is very much important in organic synthesis. So for the detergent, there are the sulfonic acid is functional group with aromatic is useful aryl sulfonic acid, particularly in the dyes, detergents, drug discoveries, drug synthesis. These types of in that manner, the sulfonic acid on the any aryl compound is very much useful. So for that, this sulfonation reaction, the importance of sulfonation reaction we can highlight here. The sulfonyl group SO3H can also added the aromatic ring via electrophilic aromatic substitution. So that is the condition for that. The sulfonation of aromatic, so there is a benzene ring. SO3 in presence of S2SO4, we get that types of sulfonic acid, benzic sulfonic acid. Okay, so that is the aryl sulfonic acid, particularly this is the benzic sulfonic acid. So here which bond is formed? CS bond is formed and bond broken is CH bond is broken. Okay, so here these also follow the three-step reaction. First is activation of the electrophile. So that is the sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide is the electrophile. It is a source of sulfonic acid. So this is used in the sulfuric acid. This abstract the proton takes place. Now it is there is a this positive charge is containing electrophile is generated. So this is the activation of electrophile takes place here. So activated through the protonation with the S2SO4. So this oxygen's lone pair abstract the protons from sulfuric acid and become this trisulfur trioxide. Now it is the more electrophilic in nature. So we can say it is the activated electrophile. In the second step, in the rate determining, second step is the rate determining step. The highly electrophilic SO3H plus is then attacked by aromatic ring to give the carbocation intermediate and with the formation of carbon sulfur and breaking of carbon-carbon pi bond. Okay, so this benzene ring attacks on the sulfur atoms and the sulfur oxygen bond break takes place to rearrange their valencies, and we get sulfonate product. That types of sulfonic acid group on the benzene ring. It is introduced. Okay, so carbon and sulfur bond formation takes place, and the same stage carbocation is also formation because via attack takes place by the pi bond. So when the pi bond is attack takes place, carbon that electrons used for the formation of carbon sulfur bond. So adjacent carbon from that particular carbon is the positive charge. So it is will generate. So we have to stabilize that. So in the next step, the deprotonations of that particular takes place, deprotonation to restore the aromaticity. So after that, the deprotonation takes place, carbon hydrogen, this carbon hydrogen bond break takes place, and this electron shifted here, and carbon carbon double bond formation takes place to restore the aromaticity, and aromaticity is regenerated. Okay, so that is the, and we get here sulfonic acid as a functional group on the benzene. So that is the benzene sulfonic acid, and this is the product of the sulfonation reactions. So it is very much important reactions. So sulfonations, but there are also three steps. First is the activation of electrophile. Second step, attack by the benzene on the activated electrophile, and third step is a deprotonation to restore the aromaticity. So this three step also same with aromatic halogenations, with halogenation reaction with the nitration reactions on benzene. These reactions, the format of that is the same, just only difference in the in the reagent, which reagent accordingly you get respective product. Okay, so in halogen we are using chlorine gas as a reagent and Lewis acid. In the nitration, HNO3 and H2SO4, and in the sulfonation, SO3, sulfur trioxide and H2SO4. So only the reagent is changed, back is the remaining things and procedures are the same. So same thing here also. One more reaction is the Friedel-Crafts reactions. Friedel-Crafts reactions is an organic coupling reaction. So either carbon-carbon bond formation takes place here. That's why we say it's the coupling reactions. So involving the electrophilic aromatic substitution that is used for the attachment of the substituent to aromatic ring. So any carbon moiety, any carbon structure, carbon skeleton we can attach to the benzene. So that reaction takes place, the Friedel-Crafts reaction. So that group may be alkyl or acyl also. So accordingly, if it is the alkyl, then we can say Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions, and if it is the acyl group, so we can say it is the Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions. So alkyl is attached to alkylation reaction, acyl group is attached to acylation reactions. So Friedel-Crafts reaction in general example for alkylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylations. So that is the alkyl group, alkyl halide is used in presence of Lewis acid. This R and this benzene is attached here. This is types of this carbon and this alkyl group attack takes place, carbon-carbon bond form takes place, and carbon-hydrogen bond is break here. Here carbon and this carbon, but carbonyl carbon is there. Okay, so that is the acyl halide. So acyl halide used, and we get these types of acylated product. Okay, so that is the Friedel-Crafts reactions. Here, when alkyl halide is treated with a Lewis acid, in the presence of aromatic ring, the alkyl group can be added to the ring, so forming the carbon-carbon bond with the loss of CH bond takes place. So CH bond is lost takes place and formation of carbon-carbon bond takes place. That is the alkylation. So this reaction is aromatic substitution reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Why alkylation? Because we are adding the alkyl here. Okay. So in general, no reactions occurs in the absence of Lewis acid. We already know for the any reaction, any substitution reaction when we carried out on the benzene, so for that any Lewis acid is required to activate the electrophile in more electrophilic manner. Okay, so that electrophile should be more, here it is necessary to cationic electrophile, or it is a complex with AlCl3. So that time to activate that alkyl halide, it is very much necessity for the reaction forwardation. Okay, so in general no reaction occurs in the absence of Lewis acid. For that Lewis acid is must. A common choice for Lewis acid is aluminum chloride AlCl3, but many others time use FeCl3 also. Many other times we can use that. So in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, the specific example is there benzene, then ethyl chloride. In presence of AlCl3 we get ethyl benzene. Okay, these types of ethyl groups introduced here. These ethyl groups are attached here. This ethyl introduced here in case these types of alkylated product. So we can say that is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation product. So bond forms, carbon-carbon bond form take place and carbon-hydrogen bond break takes place here. Okay. In the particular alkyl halides, typically chloride, bromide and iodides must be used as the reactions fail completely for the alkenyl and alkynyl halides. But only alkyl halide is useful. Alkenyl and alkynyl halides are not useful here. Only the keep in mind alkyl halides typically shows that reactions. So Lewis acid activate the electrophile by coordinating to the leaving group, making the weaker base and the better leaving group AlCl3. Okay. The end result is that coordinations of Lewis acid to the electrophile makes the species is better electrophile. Electrophile more stronger the electrophile. Electrophile into the stronger electrophile formation takes place, and that is the better electrophile formation takes place due to the presence of Lewis acid. For example, with isopropyl chloride, below is given the first step is the coordination. Okay, this is isopropyl chloride. First, this oxygen chlorine lone pairs attacks on aluminum's empty orbitals and chlorine aluminum bond formation takes place. Due to this bond formation takes place, aluminum possesses extra electrons, that's why it carry the negative charge, and chlorine donates the electron, that's why it carry the positive charge. this positive charge and this. So now what happened? These types of chlorine removal takes place because here secondary carbocation will form. Or also in another way, same thing is there, but only these types of this bond is breaking takes place in the breaking motion. So that electrophile you can say activated electrophile. Okay. So after that, the benzene ring attacks on that carbocation takes place. Here it is tertiary, then can it is easily formed takes place tertiary carbocation, but it is the here it is the primary. So for the primary, sorry, it is the secondary formation takes place. It is the primary takes some time for the formation, or it's only make the complex with the AlCl3. Okay, so after that attacks by the benzene on the carbocation takes place. This is the secondary carbocation. Okay, here attacks takes place. Carbon-carbon bond formation takes place. Once the electrophile has been activated, the next step of the Friedel-Crafts is the attack of the activated electrophile by the aromatic ring, and this is also the rate determining step. So this is the rate determining step, and here carbon-carbon bond formation takes place. Okay, these types of intermediate we got. After that, final step, as per the same thing, same pattern, deprotonation. Deprotonation at the carbon to regenerate the aromatic ring. Okay, so deprotonation of this proton abstraction takes place. This carbon hydrogen bond are shifted in the ring and make this ring again in an aromatic manner, conjugated manner, and we get this types of alkylated product. This is the alkyl group introduced here, and we get these types of alkylation. Note that AlCl3 is regenerated. Okay, this is AlCl3 is regenerated here. So regenerate here, allowing to use again in the step first. So this AlCl3 regenerated, that's why we are using only the catalytic amount of AlCl3. This AlCl3 regenerated and we can again use in that particular reaction again. Okay, so another equivalent of alkyl halide is, hence the AlCl3 can act as a catalyst in these reactions, since it increases the rate of reaction but not the consumed by it. It just increase the rate of reactions. Okay. The another part of this same Friedel-Crafts reaction is acylation. Alkylation, same reaction, same things is happen, but here reagent is acylating agent. Okay, one acyl group is there. Okay, so in general reaction is given with Friedel-Crafts alkylation. The specific Lewis acid is an Friedel-Crafts acylation can vary. Aluminum chloride is often used, but FeCl3 and other Lewis acid also can be used. Okay, so here this benzene ring is there. So this is the general reactions, acyl chloride, acyl halide, whatever is there. After we get acylated benzene, as that is the product. Okay, here carbon-carbon bond formation takes place and carbon-hydrogen bond is break takes place. In the particular reaction, the specific example of reaction between here, the acid chloride is there. Acid chloride or acetyl chloride is there. So benzene attack on acid chloride, removal of chlorine takes place, and we get these types of the acetophenone as a product. Okay, so these types of acylated product in the presence of Lewis acid. So what exactly first step? So first step, activation of electrophiles. Lewis acid coordinate to the halogens and depart the halogen. Result the fairly stable resonance stabilized carbocations is known as a acylium ion. Okay, this chlorine coordinate with this AlCl3. These types of Cl3 leaving takes place. These types of carbocation will form. After that, these types of acylium ion will form. Okay, I think this reaction, this step is very much easy. First of all, attacks by this lone pair on the aluminum's empty orbitals. Coordination formation takes place. After that, this carbon chlorine bond break takes place. These electrons come down, oxygen's electron come down and stabilize this carbocation. We get these types of acylium ion. Okay. In the next step, the acylium ion is the active electrophile in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions. Once formed, the acylium ion is attacked by the aromatic ring. Okay. Once the acylium ion formation takes place, these types of positive charge or cationic acylium ion formation takes place. Same step, these types of benzene attacks on that carbon atom, rearrange the valency of the carbon and oxygen bond, break takes place. After that, these types of carbocation will generated. That is the common reactions. The same the reaction is here. Mechanisms are the same for the all the reactions. After that, these types of carbocation will form, but we have introduced here this acyl group here. Okay. So in the next step, as with the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, the final step is deprotonation at the carbon to regenerate the aromatic ring. Okay, so after that, deprotonations of carbon to regenerate the aromatic ring. Okay, so deprotonation, this proton carbon hydrogen bond break takes place, and this electron shifted in the ring, and formation of carbon carbon double bond. This double bond formation takes place here, and after that further restoring the regenerate the aromatic ring exact for the, this is the acylated product, particularly this is the acetophenone. Okay, so this is the Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions. In general, we already discussed about that. What is the steps? Okay, in the common for the all the reaction, one common sheet is there. All the aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions, 6 reaction in one chart. This is the general pattern: benzene, electrophile or Lewis, and Lewis acid is very much important. We get these types of this is substituted product. So carbon electrophile bond formation takes place, carbon hydrogen bond break takes place here. So for the first reaction, it is the chlorination reactions. We are electrophile, we are using chlorine, Lewis acid, AlCl3 or FeCl3. Here we get chlorine in the presence of and the position of this electrophile as chlorine. So that is reaction is chlorination reactions. In the second, the Br2 as electrophile, Br3 or FeCl3 as the Lewis acid. We get Br on the position of electrophile, and that reaction is the bromination reaction. Next thing, HNO3 is the reagent. H2SO4 is act as the activate for that NO2 group. NO2 group comes on the positions on the electrophile, and this reaction is nitration reaction. The next type of reaction, sulfonation reaction, SO3 is the electrophile. H2SO4 to activate this SO3, and SO3H will becomes on the position of electrophile, and we get this is the sulfonation reaction. Next reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions. Okay, these types of RX, alkyl halide, is the electrophile, and AlCl3 or FeCl3 as a Lewis acid. We get R on the position of E electrophile. This reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Next types of reaction is, this is the acyl chloride, that is the electrophile, and Lewis acid as the AlCl3 or FeCl3 as a Lewis acid. We get these types of intermediate acylate group on that in the position of E. That reaction is the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Now this all the reactions types are same. First step is activation of electrophile. Second step is attack by the benzene on the electrophile, and third step deprotonation to restore the aromaticity. So one by one, all the things are given in the one chart also. So I hope all the things are already we taught here and we discuss here. So make sure this will be very much easy reactions and very much simple. Okay, so we can say that is the aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, hope you got it. So now we will stop here.